Project Conservatory by yearn architects in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Project Conservatory, a testament to design resilience, was conceived and meticulously crafted before the pandemic's onset, and it emerged into its full glory after the challenging days of COVID-19. Project Conservatory has undergone a remarkable transformation, evolving from a mere residential concept into a blank canvas, an empty architectural slate waiting to be filled with life. Nestled strategically within the bustling heart of Kuala Lumpur's urban landscape, Project Conservatory stands as an embodiment of hope and creativity. Its blank spaces yearn to be imbued with purpose, ready to house the aspirations of those who dare to envision its potential. Like a blank canvas, it stands in anticipation, awaiting the artful infusion of life into its spaces. In a world often enamored by gloss and glamour, Project Conservatory takes a contemplative pause to celebrate the extraordinary within the ordinary, especially in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. Its spaces remain deliberately unfurnished, allowing for flexibility and change as life unfolds within its walls. Every corner of this sanctuary becomes an ever-evolving canvas, a demonstration of adaptability and the fluidity of human experience. The conservatory's material palette is a carefully curated selection of elements that include fair-faced brick walls, bare concrete surfaces, metal screens, and polished concrete floors. Each choice is a thoughtful decision, executed with precision to ensure that every detail contributes to the overall harmony of the space. Here, the power of voids is championed, and profound beauty emerges from the interplay between the tangible materials and the intangible emotions they evoke. The roof spaces of Project Conservatory stand as a true testament to geometric elegance, a breathtaking symphony of hollow metal structures, concrete forms, bricks, ventilation blocks, and shadows. This architectural crown is the pinnacle of the empty architectural concept that permeates every corner of the space. It exemplifies the delicate balance between form and function, aesthetics and practicality. In a city characterized by its dynamism and constant change, Project Conservatory offers a sanctuary of serenity and timeless beauty. It extends an invitation to appreciate not just the physical materials but also the ethereal essence of empty architecture. Here, the spaces are designed to transcend the constraints of time and evoke a sense of timelessness, where architecture becomes a vessel for the soul's reflection and exploration.